There is a battle for our very humanness that is unfolding right now. It's an ancient battle. Frame it as a battle between good and evil, or light and dark. Ultimately, light and dark are simply energies until we give them the significance that we give to them. There's something deep within each of us that is so powerful, so precious, so sacred, so beautiful, that nations will go to war with other nations to keep us distracted. It is the power of human divinity that is only possible through the biological body. The power within us to transcend perceived limitations. There is a movement, the transhuman movement, to replace our bodies with synthetics, chemicals in the blood, sensors under the skin, computer chips in the brain, artificial intelligence. By virtue of doing so, it steals from us our ability to access our divinity. So what we're seeing playing out in the world today, whether you're looking at Ukraine and Russia, the role of America, or you're looking at the Middle East, you're looking at Israel and the Palestinian, and you look at everything happening all around that, they're happening now because the battle for our divinity has intensified to such a degree that these are the events that it takes to keep us from that inner focus. Now, I'm not saying that everyone, every politician, every leader of every nation certainly is aware. Many of them are pawns. They don't even know that they're pawns in this ancient battle of good and evil, of light and dark.